James is 12 years younger than Peter. Sarah is 8 years older than Peter. If the total of their ages is 47, form and solve an equation to find Sarah's age. Let Peter's age be x. So Peter's is x. James is 12 years younger, so James will be x take away 12, because 12 years younger than Peter. And Sarah is 8 years older. Sarah is 8 years older, so that will be x plus 8. The total ages is 47, so adding them up, the total age is 47. So again, collect like terms. So we've got x plus x plus x, which is 3x, minus 12 plus 8, which is minus 4, is equal to 47. This is my equation to solve. The opposite of taking 4 is to add 4. So on this side, we're going to get 3x, and then 47 plus 4. 47 plus 4 gives me 51. Dividing both sides by 3, because we've got 3 times, we're going to get that x is equal to 17. So I want to find Sarah's age. This was Sarah's age. So Sarah's age is x plus 8, which is x is 17 plus 8, which makes 25. So Sarah's age is 25. So this has been a video to help you form a solve equation when you're given information about 3 people's age. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.